Now we're going to play with our slice tool. Our slice tool is used to cut our picture up so we can actually transfer it to the web and bring it up a lot quicker, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you look on our screen here, you can see that I've already got my picture laid out, and I've already got my slice tool selected, which on this machine here is K. So if I reach over here and say I want to, when my picture comes up, I want my boat to come up as a singular image as well. So we cut it there. And as you can see, it's created slices everywhere here. It's created all of these slices. So whenever you transfer or export this image, say into Dreamweaver, it will actually, whenever you bring up your web pages, it will try to bring this up as an image, this up as an image, this is an image, and this is an image, instead of trying to bring it up all as once, because it'll actually log down the what's the word I'm looking for? It'll actually log down when it's trying to bring these photos up, if it tries to bring it up all as one. So instead it'll just bring this up as 4 separate photos, and as 4 smaller photos, so the files are a little bit easier to deal with. Bandwidth was the word I was looking for. So there you go. You can actually come over here and just kind of slice this up however you want to. Actually add slices. You want to do this as one big picture. Say if you had your name up here and you wanted this to pop up first, well, this would be the one big picture to come up with. Or if you want to bring your name up, that's right here first, and then bring everything else up, then it will. But this is usually just for web layouts and stuff like that. So, you know, and then if you come over here, you have different options like your slice select tool, like you can select different slices, you know, move things around, you know, just however you want to, you know. So this is more for web design, and so just play around with it and see how you feel about it and have fun and enjoy.